Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I have the HARDELL Rivet gun tool. This is a 21 volt with two 2 amp hour batteries, a charger, a brushless motor, and this thing does a variety of sizes, as you can see right there. 3/32, 5/32, 1/8, and 3/16 rivets. We're going to show you exactly how this thing works compared to the old school rivet gun, and give you my honest feedback and review of this product, because a lot of times you do need to have a rivet tool, and if you have to do more than a couple of rivets, this thing hurts your hands and is not very friendly. So we're going to test out the new cordless version of this and give you guys some feedback. So let's go ahead and open up the box. It's a nice sturdy box. As we open it up, you will see that it has a manual in here. And so it shows you how to work the tool, and it shows you all of the different sizes. Then on the back has the 4 steps on how you can use this tool and successfully fasten 2 pieces together with a rivet, whether that's metal or any other type of material that is hard that you would like to put together. Let's go ahead and look at the batteries, because they're right here. These are 2 amp hour batteries, and I did find out that you can actually use Makita's batteries. I don't have any Makita tools on me, but you can actually use Makita's tools for this as well. It does come with a charger, and if you look in the battery right here, has the hole that we will charge this at. But I'm going to go ahead and test where we're at. We're actually at a full battery. See if this one is too. Yes. But if not, you were to simply go ahead and untwist this. Go ahead and plug the other end into the outlet, and you'll take this one and plug it in right here until your batteries are charged. But these ones do have a full battery on both of them, so we will not need to do that. I am thankful that it does come with a few different size rivets that you can use straight out the box. So if you don't have any on you, so inside of here has the tool for the different size rivets. And so this would allow you to be able to change them out very quickly. The gun is already pre-installed with one of the rivet sizes on there. So here is everything that is included. You get the tool, you get the 2 batteries, you get a number of rivets. It has 4 different tips, and then this is also a tool as well. And then this is a tool to remove the tips for the rivets. And so I'm going to show you how to go ahead and install the battery. It's very simple. Works like just about any other battery for a cordless tool, which is pretty great. And it does show that it is full battery. So let's go ahead and see if the small bag fits on the tip that's pre-installed. And as we test it, there's way too much wiggle room, so we're going to need to go ahead and take that off. We'll use the included tool here. And once you start to spin it, it will come off. We'll test to see what size we need, and it is that smallest size. So we'll go ahead and spin it off of here. I do like this little thing because it will hold all of the different tips. So go ahead and take your tool, and then we'll loosen this up, spin it around a couple of times. We'll go ahead and take the correct size nozzle and go ahead and start spinning it into place. Remember, you do have to push this way as you're doing it, and you do need some force, and do not strip it at the same time. So and then once it starts going, this thing will naturally just start turning itself. As you can see, this part right here is beginning to turn as you turn the end, which is tightening it all down. Once that's all good and tight, go ahead and snug that up. Then you're able to use the larger size. So this works for whatever size you want. You do have 4 different sizes. You have a 3/32, a 1/8, a 5/32, and a 3/16 rivet. This does work for aluminum and most stainless and even steel rivets. And so you have lots of options on what you would like to use this for. So here's our first rivet test. We're just needing to put these 2 pieces together. Put your rivet in there and just press the button once, and it does it perfectly, and it ejects the nail out. That was pretty simple and a very secure fit. So our next test, we're going to go ahead and make these two pieces of metal connected. So we're going to kind of slide it together, and you will want to test to make sure it will fit, and it does. So we'll go ahead and slide that in there. We'll go ahead and slide this over and go ahead. And you're all done. There's the extra piece. And it's got a bottom side as well. This time I'm going to do it the opposite direction. So this one was on this side. I'm going to do this one on this side now. And so it's got one more little hit I got to do on it. And right there it is. Again, if that little nail doesn't come out, just tip it down and it will work properly. That's pretty awesome. That is definitely riveted together well, and very excited how well this tool is working out. I think this thing is no longer going to be used in the mcfixit studio or any of my videos now. This thing is definitely taken over and will be my primary rivet gun. So our last test is going to be putting these two pieces of metal together. We're going to be using the manual versus the cordless. We're going to be using the bigger 3/16 rivet. Get both of those loaded. And I'm even going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to have the cordless go first, because one of the issues with the handheld ones is you don't have really that third hand to hold it. And so this might be a little bit of a cheat, but we'll go ahead and hit it. And right there, super solid connection, did exactly what it's supposed to do. Now this is kind of already set in place, which makes this a bit easier with the manual, but again, it's still going to take multiple pumps to get it to what it needs to go. So we'll just start pumping it. And there's no real good way to hold it. Sometimes I even use the counter or whatever surface you have to just help give you that extra bit of leverage. Okay, so that kind of worked. You can see it's not real perfect. It did not cut the end of it off as well. So let's see if we can do it a couple more times. Still didn't cut the end off. A little flusher now. But yeah, we're going to have to probably just break the end off, which doesn't give you that real nice crisp cut like this one does, and it just comes right out the end of the cordless. This one I did have to break, not near as good of a connection as well. I mean, I think this one will work for a lot of applications, but man, if you want something nice and clean, these cordless ones work so well to just give you that really good fit on your rivets instead of just a little bit more messy, and took like 10 times as long. This was literally one push and done. So here are my final thoughts on the Hardwell cordless rivet tool. I really like this. This thing is so much easier to use than the old school pop rivets that you just have to keep pressing and your hands killing you, especially after doing like 2 or 3 of them. This thing literally takes a 1 second to rivet together and is just the simple push of a button. So convenient. I'm actually shocked it comes with 2 batteries, because I've used this a number of times and I still have all my battery, and that's pretty awesome that it comes with 2 batteries. Again, the Makita batteries also fit this. You don't get the jam nails because it like pushes it back out. I did have one time I had to kind of go like that because I had to press it a couple of times because it was pretty thick and it fell right out. But this thing jams all the time, and you got to sit there and use another nail end to push it through. I love that it is so compatible with 4 different size rivets. You can also use stainless steel, aluminum, or even steel rivets. The runtime of the battery is really good. You're supposed to get 400 rivets on one battery. I probably did 15 or 20 just to test this thing out to make sure it was actually quality. and it didn't even touch the battery. Like, the battery's still full, and it is freezing cold in my garage today. Overall, I really like this product. I think this has a lot of really good use. One thing I didn't even realize at the beginning is it actually does come with an LED light. That is useful. I had one time, and you can kind of see it lighting up over here, an area that was dark that I was doing, and it worked super well. I like that it is a brushless device. You can tell it's made of quality and should last a lifetime. I'm super excited to have this in my garage for whenever I need to rivet anything together. If you do have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to mcfixit if you've not done so. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to make more videos like this coming out real soon. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.